Hey there, just wanted to give you a heads up. There are some big tax breaks for clean energy that they're about to expire. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your home or buying an electric car, now's the time to act. Let's talk about it. First off, if you're eyeing that EV car, listen up. The 7,500 tax credit for buying a new EV car is ending on September 30th, 2025. This is for both personal and business vehicles. So if you've been thinking about getting that Tesla or Chevy Bolt or any EV car, now's the time. Business owners, same goes for you. If you're adding an EV to your fleet, don't wait. You've got a little time, so don't let it slip away. Now, if you're a homeowner and planning to make some upgrades, you've got two big credits I wanted to tell you about. And these are disappearing after December 31st, 2025. So if you're on the fence, don't wait too long. The first one is the residential clean energy credit. This one is the 30%, and this one is for bigger upgrades like solar panel, wind systems. You get 30% of the total cost of materials, labors, everything, but it needs to be installed by the end of 2025. So get those plans rolling right now. The second one is the energy home improvement credit. So this one for smaller upgrades, things like new windows, doors, heat pumps, central AC, water heaters. These things will make your home more efficient and lower your utility bill. But again, you'll need to get those done by the end of 2025. Okay, this is for business owners. Those tax bills and tax breaks are for you too. So if you're planning any clean energy upgrades, I need you to pay attention to those deadlines I'm about to share with you. Those big ones, the first one is the energy efficient commercial building deduction. So if you're working on a new building construction, that needs to start before July 1st, 2026. Second, energy efficient new home credits. So if you're building homes, this credit ends on June 30th, 2026. Number three, alternative fuel vehicle charging credits. This is for installing EV charger for your business. This credit ends on June 30th, 2026. Number four, wind and solar projects. Those are projects need to start before July 4th, 2026 and must be up and running by 2028. Number five, clean hydrogen project credit. This one ends after 2027. Okay, so what do you do with all this info? You need to start planning now. Get your quote, talk to your contractors, and most importantly, check with your CPA and tax advisor. Because some of these credits apply if you owe taxes. Others can get you money back. So it's best to know exactly how these credits work for your situation. Here's how this matters, because these credits can save you a lot of money. They can help you lower your bills, increase the value of your home and business, and reduce your taxes. But once they're gone, they're gone. So if this is on your radar, don't wait until the last minute. If you've been thinking about upgrading your home or buying the EV car, now it's your chance. Don't let these credits slip away. Need help figuring out which credits you can take advantage of? We're here to help you. Let's make sure that you get most of these tax savings. If this helped, please hit like and subscribe, drop a comment. If you've got questions, if you're already planning for your next move, let us know how can we help. I want to thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next time.
And share with other business owners. You can find previous episodes and more information at www.bostacpa.com. Thanks for listening and have a great day.